You're about to waste $20 on Claude Pro, or you're about to make the smartest $20 investment in your business. The difference? Understanding what Claude Pro actually does that ChatGPT can't. Let me show you why that Projects feature is worth every penny, and answer the 5 other questions keeping you from launching in 14 days. Claude Pro or free? Claude Pro's Projects feature keeps your entire 14-day launch organized in one space. This isn't just about message limits, though yes, the free version will hit its limit by day 3. Claude Pro can see 20 years out and walk backwards to create strategic plans. ChatGPT simply cannot do this. Claude starts from the middle and builds forward and backward. That's worth about $20 cheaper than therapy when you're stuck on day 9. The Projects feature gives you strategic planning capabilities that ChatGPT simply cannot match. Not in Georgia? The planner is built around Georgia LLC, but the framework works for any state. Just swap state-specific steps on day 4. The planner is built to adapt to any state and county-specific guides by you answering Claude's 14 program questions on day 1. Be brutally honest, garbage in, garbage out. Full setup and adaptation finish on day 1. In about 14 minutes by uploading the provided PDFs into the project knowledge base and answering Claude's 14 questions. Works in California, Texas, Florida, internationally. State processing times vary. Your pace stays flexible. Claude Pro Projects makes state-specific research easier. Will this work for me? This works for service-based businesses, digital products, coaching programs, content creation businesses, not for physical inventory or brick and mortar. Built for zero-budget launches. Perfect for coaches, consultants, freelancers, course creators, content monetizers. Day 2 customizes templates for your exact niche. Claude Pro projects your specific business 5, 10, 20 years out with an actual roadmap, not generic ChatGPT advice. Stuck on day 7? Every day has a troubleshooting section. 2 options when stuck. Jump into Silver.media community or book a 15-minute troubleshooting call, free for quick fixes. Pro tip: Claude Pro Projects can review entire 14-day progress and identify stuck patterns using 20-year vision working in reverse. How to customize? Day 2 is dedicated to template customization. Run base templates through Claude with your business details. AI does the heavy lifting. Takes 45 minutes. Templates cover business name, LLC structure, marketing copy, social media, first offer. Everything is editable. Frameworks, not rigid rules. Claude Pro Projects keeps all customized templates organized. When to reach out? If stuck for more than 2 hours on any day, reach out immediately. Don't waste time. Ask dumb questions early rather than quit on day 12. Most questions are answered by asking Claude the right way in Projects with full context. The 14-day business launch planner is $27. Claude Pro is about $20. Keep or cancel anytime. That's $47 total to launch a real business with AI-powered strategic planning worth $5K from consultants. Get the planner for $27 at silver.io or on Gumroad, links below. Now go get Claude Pro, download the planner, and launch that business. You've got 14 days. Let's go. I'm a no BS, faith-driven business consultant who launched Silver.media LLC in 14 days with zero budget. I've been homeless as a content creator and blocked out of the creative loop due to lack of resources. Now I help entrepreneurs eliminate economic gatekeeping with AI.